Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post a house for sale on Facebook Marketplace. This is going to be quick and straightforward, so let's get right into it. First, open up your Facebook app. On your home screen, you should see the Marketplace icon that looks like a little storefront. Once you're inside Marketplace, tap on the Sell button at the top. From the options that pop up, choose Homes for Sale or Rent. At this point, Facebook will bring up a form for you to fill out about your property. Start by uploading clear photos of your home. Tap on the Photos section and it will open up your phone gallery so you can select the images you want. Next, you'll need to add a title for your listing. Make it catchy and include keywords that buyers might search for. After that, enter the price you're selling it for. Then make sure to select the category as Home Sales since you're selling and not renting. Next, fill out the description section. I definitely recommend completing this part thoroughly because the more detailed your description is, the better chance your listing has of showing up in searches. Once everything looks good, tap on Next in the top right corner. Facebook will then ask if you want to share your listing to any groups you're part of, which can give your post extra visibility if you're in local housing or community groups. When you're ready, tap Publish at the bottom and your home listing will be live on Facebook Marketplace for buyers to find. And that's it, guys, quick and simple. Thanks for watching.